Alright guys, I made a video a while back, years ago, about how to replace worn drive pins on drive shafts, and I've come across the easier way to do it. I got like a 5mm socket here, anything about the same size, what kind of fits on that pawl end. And so what I'm going to do is put in the vise, turn this around, looks like that end is a little bit rounded. Get the camera. So I got it through there like that. What I'm going to take is the new drive pin and use it to push it out while putting the new drive pin in. So it's a lot quicker. Make sure everything's lined up. Push the old pin out. Now let's make sure I got it even on both sides. A little bit more. There you go. Brand new pin. Old pin. That's how you do it with the vise. Pretty quick and easy now. Hope you enjoyed it, guys.